Very good morning, students. Now, till exercise practice 9b, I have explained. In that, we have to understand about alternative angle, interior and co-exterior, and corresponding angle. Now, we have to use that angle in this exercise, and we have to use property of that angle. I have already said if lines is parallel, then alternative or corresponding will be equal, and co-interior, sum of co-interior angle equal to 180 degree. So these are the property. So we will use in this question. So first of all, just you read the question in self practice 9c. Question number first. Using property of corresponding angle, find each of later angles given region. Give regions. And we have to give the region also. So see here, P and Q, these both lines are parallel. Question is given here. This arrow means it is parallel. Okay, both lines is parallel. Arrow means two lines is given, and here arrow is given. It means both lines are parallel. Now we have to find value of A, and this one is the transversal line. T R is the transversal line. We have to find value of A. So what we will do here, we have to use corresponding angle property. So already I have said if lines is parallel, then corresponding angle will be equal. So just write on here answer. A is equal to 125 degree. A value of A is equal to 125 degree. It is called corresponding angle. So region will become corresponding angles. Okay, that's why it is equal. Because line is parallel. Here we will write on here P is parallel to Q. Question is given here. Now in the B, again here so L comma M both are parallel is given. Here arrow is given, it means it is parallel. So this both line is parallel, and this one is a transversal line, this one also a transversal line. Two lines is given, that is transversal. We have to find value of B and A. So again just you see, this one is a transversal line, and here this line is parallel. So this A and this this one 40 degree and this one A, both are corresponding angle. So we will write down here L is parallel to M. So A is equal to 40 degree because corresponding angle. So we will write down here corresponding angle. So this one is called corresponding angles. This is the answer. Next one, in this side, this line is parallel, so B is equal to 50 degree. So we will use here B is equal to 50 degree. Again, region will come same, corresponding angle. Okay, so A value is 40 degree, B value is 50 degree. Now we have to solve question number C. In the C part, just you see here, this line and this line is parallel. This line and this line is parallel. Well, here one arrow is given, it means these both are parallel, and here two arrows is given, it means these are parallel. And name is given A, B, C, D. These are the intersecting point. Now we have to find value of A and value of B. So just you see here, this line is parallel, and this one is a transversal line CD. So we will write down here AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC, and BC is transversal line. So it has formed corresponding angle. So B is equal to 105 degree. So value of B is equal to 105 degree. Region will come same here, corresponding angle. Okay. It will come corresponding angles. After that, next one, A, we have to find value of A. Again, we have to write down here AB is parallel to CD because this one is the parallel, and here transversal line is AD. Okay, this line is parallel and AD is transversal line here. So it forms corresponding pair of corresponding angle. This one is A. So A is equal to 105 degree. Okay, again we will write down here answer. Region is corresponding angle because AB is parallel to CD. So like that we have to find answer if these types of question will come. Now we have to go for next question number 2. Using in the question number 2, just you read, using the properties of adjacent angle, vertically opposite angle and corresponding angle, fill in the size of each angle in the diagram. So we have to find value of each number. Here some unknown angle is given, we have to find value of that angle. Okay, we will use here that all the properties of angle, pair of angles. Okay, but sometimes we will use vertically opposite, sometimes we will use corresponding, sometimes we will use co-interior also. So like that. Now just you see here, one angle is given in the A part, second question A diagram. This line is parallel. Okay, this one is the parallel. Just write down here L1 and L2. So we will write down L1 is parallel to L2. Now this one is the transversal line T. Okay, so this one is the transversal line. Here this angle is given and this one is the no value. It is name of the angle, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. It is not value of the angle. It is value. This one is the value of angle, but this one is the name of the angle. This one also name of the angle. Okay. So we have to find value of 1, value of 2, value of 3, value of 4. These are the angle are given. So what will come in place of 2? Here, just you see here, we will use a vertically opposite angle. So angle 2 is equal to 50 degree because it is vertically opposite angle and vertically opposite angle is always equal. So region will come vertically opposite angle. Shortcut we will use vertically opposite angle VOA. If you can't, you can write full form also vertically opposite angle. Otherwise, you can write in shortcut VOA region. Now we have to find value of next angle 1 and 3. So what will come? Just you see here, these are the linear pair angle also. 1 and 50 degree is the linear pair angle. So sum of linear pair angle is equal to 180 degree. So if one angle is 50 degree, so next angle will come. We will subtract this 50 degree, then it will come angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 50. Then it will come 130 degree. Okay. So angle 1 is equal to 130 degree. If you are able to find angle 1, then you can answer easily angle 3 also because these are the vertically opposite angles. Then angle 1 and 3 will be equal. So angle 3 is equal to same 130 degree because region you have to write on vertically opposite angle again. Okay. So now all three angles we have find. Now we have to find these all angles. We will use here corresponding angle property and alternative angle property. Then we can find all the angle again. So just you use here, this line is parallel. So 4 angle and this 50 degree angle is corresponding angle. So all will be 4 and 50 degree will be equal. So just write down here angle 4 is equal to 50 degree. Region will come here corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Okay. Corresponding angles. This one is the region. So if you want, you can find. Now angle 6 and 4 will be equal because both are vertically opposite angle. So same angle 6 is equal to 50 degree will come. Region will come here again vertically opposite angle. Okay. Next one. Alternative interior angle 3 and 5 will be equal. Alternative interior angle. So 3 is 130 degree. So angle 5 is also equal to 130 degree. If you want, you can write a region here. Alternative interior angle AIA. Alternative interior angle. Now we have to find angle already 7. So 5 and 7 is vertically opposite angle. So angle 7 is equal to same 130 degree. 130 degree. Okay. So angle 7 is equal to 130 degree. Region will come same again here vertically opposite angle. Okay. Angle 7 is equal to 130 degree. So all 7 angles we have find. These are the final answer. Now we have to go for next question, that is B part I have left for you. C part I will do. Just you see here diagram is given. C here. So these lines are parallel. These both line is parallel. But this one is the not parallel. Okay, just be careful. So this line is not parallel is given direct in the question also. So now we have to find value of A and D. Here unknown value is given. We have to find value of A and D. So just you see these lines are parallel and this one is the transversal line. So this one is, how we will find? First of all, we will find this angle, then we can find A. So just you suppose here value of here x. So x and 105 degrees linear pair angle. So x plus 105 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now we have to find value of x. So now we will transpose this 105 in that side. So it will come 180 minus 105. So it will come 75 degree. So angle x is equal to 75 degree. Now x and A is alternative angle. So angle A is also same, x is equal to 75 degree. Region will come alternative interior angle. Okay. So A value is 75 degree. This is the answer. Now in the B, how will find B? Just use here sum of co-interior angle is always 180 degree. So B plus 120, B plus 120 both are co-interior angle because this line is parallel and both are inside. So sum of co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Now we will transpose this 120. It will come 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degree. So B value is equal to 60 degree. Okay. So I have used here properties of sum of co-interior angle. I have used here vertically here linear pair angle property. After that I have used alternating interior angle. Okay. Now in the D part, here diagram is given. These both line is parallel and this one is the transversal and this one is next transversal line. So again we have to find value of A and B. So just you see this one is transversal parallel line and this one is transversal. So these both angle will form alternating interior angle. So A is equal to 50 degree, it will come directly. Just reason we have to write down alternating interior angle. Shortcut A, I, A. Now we have to find value of B. There 40 degrees given and this one is the transversal line. So how will you find? Just you see vertically opposite angle is always equal. So this one is B. We can say this one is also B. Now just use here sum of co-interior angle again because both form co-interior angle. This one is parallel line and this one is transversal line. So B plus 40 is equal to 180. Now we will find B is equal to 180 minus 40. It will come 140 degree. So B value is equal to 140 degree. This is the final answer of the D part. Now E part I have left for you. Just try yourself. F part, just you see here diagram is given in the F part, or I will draw here, then you can see clearly. So again we will use in that alternative interior angle and corresponding angle. These are the properties we use in the F part also. Here three parallel line is given. So in the F part, this types of diagram is given. This one is the transversal line maybe, and this one is parallel line, and this one also form a parallel line, and this one also form a parallel line. Just write down their name B, and this one name D, this one is C, and this one is O, this one is A. So this line is parallel line. Here angle is given 145 degree, here angle is given 138 degree. We have to find value of P. Finally, we have to find value of P. So how will find value of P? Just you see here. First of all, we will find this angle. Just you suppose here x, because these are the linear pair angles. So x plus 145 is equal to 180 degree. So just write down here x plus 145 is equal to 180 degree. Now we will find, so it will transpose in that side, 180 minus 145, then it will come how much? 5 and here 3. So 35 degree will come. X is equal to 35 degree. Same like that, just you suppose here also y. So these both angles will form linear pair angle. So y plus 138 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, again we will transpose this that side. So 180 minus 138, how much will come? Again we can find here also value of y. So we will subtract here, it will come 2, and here 7 minus 3, 42 degree. Okay, so y is equal to 142 degree, x is equal to 35 degree. Now we will use here corresponding angle property, sum of co-interior angle property. Again just you suppose here k. So x and k will form co-interior angle. So x plus k is equal to 180 degree. And we already know value of 35 degree. So value of x is 35 degree. So 35 plus k is equal to 180. So k is equal to 180 minus 35. So again it will come 145 degree. Okay. Likely, just you suppose here T, this one is T angle. So Y and T will form co-interior angle. So T plus Y again 180 degree, and value of Y we already know. So T plus 42 is equal to 180. Again just you transpose this 42 that side, it will come 180 minus 42, then it will come 138 degree. Okay. So now finally we have know this whole angle K and T and P. Sum of this whole circle, it will form complete angle. Complete angle means 360 degree. So we will add all three angles, that is T and P and K. Then it will come 360 degree. Okay. And two angle already we have know. So just write down here P plus K plus T is equal to 360 degree because this is complete angle. Now just you put value of K and value of T. So T plus 145 plus 138 is equal to 360. Now just you add here both. 8 plus 5, 13 and 7, 8, 183, 283 is equal to 360. So T is equal to 360 minus 283. We will subtract here, it will come 7. Now here 35, 77 degree. So value of P is equal to 77 degree. This is the final answer. So like that we will solve question number F. Okay. Remaining whatever I have left, just try also. Just use here properties of parallel line, corresponding angle and alternative angles, co-interior angle and linear pair angle sometimes, and sometimes vertically opposite angle. That's all.